Well, Zach, a year ago, me and Matt went into these fields looking for a dog. That day, that dog took Matt's life. I never bothered to go find his body, though. I think we should go check it. Let's go. How about we check there somewhere? Alright, let's go. Zach, this is where Matt's body used to be. He's not here anymore. I don't understand. Did someone like drag his body away? Right, well let's look around here, I guess.
I've been stranded out here a whole year just off these stupid beans, rainwater, and my pee because you were too selfish to come out here and see if I was okay.
I'm really sorry, Matt. Well, just in case, would you like to shave?
Well, I guess since you brought me this spiffy shaver, I can forgive you. But there's still one problem. The dog.
He's still alive?
He's still alive, and I've been running from him the whole time. By the way, what happened to Will?
He couldn't come.
Why not?
He's too busy filming Pirates 4. Matt, I still have one question. Why, if you were out here for over a year, didn't you just walk back to your house?
Huh. Well, that's beside the point, but for now let's worry about that dog. Jumping joppers!
Let's get out of here.
Well, this sucks.